Ukukhula kokusetyenziswa kwamaqonga ezonxibelelwano kwenza ukuba wonke ubani abhale nantoni na kula maqonga. Oku kuphazamisana nemithombo yeendaba ethembekileyo nanjengoko kumatyelo amaninzi kuye kusetyenziswe iilogo zawo. Iingcali zithi amaqonga eendaba ezingamampunge akhula umhla nezolo.
Like the virus that we are dealing with in the current pandemic, fake news and hate speech keep mutating, and we keep discovering new variants. Right now, as we sit here in South Africa, we have been witnessing unprecedented disturbances where a combination of social media, fake news, and hate speech bears footmarks in a highly complex crisis that has attracted various conspiracy theories. As social media evolve, information manipulation has become highly sophisticated as well, with huge consequences for democracy and social well-being.
Uninzi ke luthi luye lwenze isiqinisekiso ngaphambi kokuba lukholelwe kwindaba abazibona kumaqonga ezonxibelelwano.
You should first take first steps by actually researching or maybe watching news for more information, for more understanding.
If I don't see it on the news, I don't believe it. Because social media, I can create something and then I can put it to the social media and anyone can run away with it.
Intatheli nazo zithi zenza isiqinisekiso ngaphambi kokuba zenze umsebenzi wazo.
I think as a journalist, I still have the responsibility to verify the source of information that is being posted on social media. I cannot just take content from social media and report about it. My responsibility as a journalist is that I have to verify. Social media, you'd have a situation where people say somebody has been arrested. They name the person without letting the person go to court first. But as a journalist, I do not say social media has named the person. I still remain a journalist and I still adhere to the policies.
Don't just report hearsay stories that you see on Facebook, more especially when coming to court reporting. Court reporting is very, very, very critical when sometimes you need to verify facts, you need to be there, you got to confirm with the police, you got to confirm with the NPA. If you don't understand, just approach your prosecutor.
Ezo ke ziye zingene kabuhlungu kwamanye abantu, ziye zithathwe njengamanye amatyala phantsi komthetho we Cyber Crimes Act nosandutyikitwa njengeminye yemithetho kweli.